Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I'd come on with a quick project share of the newest 3D project that is kind of going across the crafting community, and that is the 3D sewing machine. I know a lot of people make it as like something to give in a Happy Meal. I made this for myself as a decor piece for my craft room, so it's not functional. Like these parts don't come out. This bit doesn't come out. It's all fully enclosed as a box so that it's just a decor piece. So here's the front of it. I did a shaker at the top here and here. This bit here was empty. It's not a shaker because I knew I'd do my cluster here. So I used the marigold paper here, and then that's marigold. This chipboard though is from Fresh Bouquet, and then a little flower that I've made myself, and then the sequins mix that I made myself. On this side, I just used a, it was the outside of ribbon, and I just reused it. And then at the top, this is just a die that I had, so I've just mixed it around, and I just really liked the loop to kind of look. I thought it looked really cool. And then obviously the needle. But I really like this. I stitched it around the whole thing, and the back's just got just a simple mat on the back, but I think this is going to look so beautiful in my craft room. It's going to be an awesome decor piece, and it's definitely in the colors that I love, that nice light pink and yellow, favorite color scheme. So here it is. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll leave the link to the tutorial down below. Like I said, I didn't do the pull tab, so mine's a little bit altered. It's just I've just enclosed the boxes and made them slightly different, and I don't have the base piece. So there you go. I'll leave the tutorial down below. If you enjoyed this little project share and want to see more things like this on my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.